Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about an AI model that can create amazing websites for free. As you can see, this is the website that I have created just with a single prompt. And this model is called Kimi K2. So let me quickly talk about what is this model, how you can use it for free, and what are the prompts that you can use to create amazing websites like this. So first, let us look into what model this is. So this is a model called Kimi K2.5 and this is released by a Chinese lab called Moonshot AI. So these people are not new to releasing excellent models. So they have been releasing very good models for the last 1 year. And their models have very good benchmarks in coding, agentic performance and so on. So you might ask, why do I care about coding? Let's say I'm not a developer, but why should I care if a model is good at coding? So the reason is very simple. These days it is very evident that if a model is good at coding, it will be good at agents. So if it is good at agents, it can automate tasks like social media automation, it can create videos, it can do a lot of things if it is good at coding. And you can see these are the numbers that are published by this company. And generally when an open source model is released, so they don't compare with the best closed source models. But you can see in these results, they have taken their model and directly compared to best models of OpenAI, which is GPT 5.2, which is the latest version, and then Claude Opus, and then Gemini 3 Pro. And you can see in almost all the benchmarks like agents, coding, image, video, everything, Kimi is actually very, very good. So why should you care a second time? So the thing is, if you want to use Opus models, like something like Claude Opus models, it will cost you around $25 per million tokens, whereas these models are available around $3 per million tokens, which is almost 1/10 of the price. And these models are open source. That means that you can download these models and use it for free, right? So now that is clear. So let me show you how you can create amazing websites with this particular model. So first of all, if you want to use this, just go to this website called Kimi.com. So once you go to Kimi.com, so you go to this website called Kimi.com. And here they have a lot of options in terms of creating websites, documents, slides, and so on. So when you click on websites, they actually use credits. But if you just want to test out the model capabilities, you can just ask it to create websites and it won't consume a lot of credits. So what I'll do is, I generally, whenever I see a new model, the way I like to test the models is I'll just give it a vague prompt and I will see how it is reacting. Right. So let me try it with a vague prompt and see how this model is responding. So this is the prompt that I'm trying. I'm just asking to create a crazy website design that the world has never seen before. And let me just press enter. So what happens is, whenever you ask these models questions like this, they immediately start writing some HTML code. So it will take a couple of minutes. Once the HTML file is ready, you should be able to open it and preview it. So let us wait for 2 minutes and see what is the kind of output this model gives.
2 minutes later.
As you can see, the website generation is complete and it has written few hundreds of lines of code, as you can see. So now I'll just click on preview and see the website it has created. So let me click on preview. And this is the website that we have. I think you can see how good the cursor is. And oh wow. So it just vanished into this and created something like this. So let's just look at this animation once again. So this is the homepage and you can just see this is transitioning into this. This is actually a website design that I have never seen before. So it's amazing. So what can we do useful with this? So let's say we offer this generative AI course, which is 8 weeks long. And so I have collected some information about it. So I'll just copy paste information about my course and I will put it into this one. And now what I'll do is I'll just ask it to create an amazing landing page for my website. So this is the prompt. So I have given it all the information about my course and I'm also asking it to create an amazing landing page for it. And let me just press enter and see how this works out. The new website is also ready. Let us see how this looks. So again, it has written few hundreds of lines of code and I'm curious how it creates. So let me just click on preview. And you can see that this is a very, very nice design. And even I'm surprised by how good it has created. I think it put some Python code. So it has added few nice buttons and animations. The 8-week journey, the cohort, everything. So everything is perfect. And mind you, this is a website that we have created with a single prompt, and if you were to just sit on it for some time and modify it, I think it will create even better outputs. So now let me show you the prompt that I have used to create the website that looks something like this. So this is a website that you can create for just a single prompt, and let me show you the prompt that I have used for that one. As you can see, this is the prompt. So I just gave it a prompt saying that you are a UI UX designer who loves illustration, and I've mentioned what is the color scheme it has to use, and I have asked it to create something called a flashlight effect. So this is the flashlight effect. So I have asked it to create a flashlight effect, and I'm exactly said what content to put in. So if you are someone who is creative, who knows what to instruct AI, there is no ceiling to what you can build, right? So go try out Kimi K2.5 to build some amazing websites, and you can also build amazing agents with it. We will cover sometime soon. Don't forget to subscribe to Build Fast with AI. Happy building.